Alright, it's Tuesday, September 3rd, and it stopped raining at least, but as you can see, there's a lot of cloud cover. I can't even see the mountains out there that I saw yesterday with all the snow on them, unfortunately. I see a little bit of blue in the distance, but it doesn't look like that's going to last long. You can actually smell quite a bit of smoke too, so there must be some either fires still dying out or fires still going, but the smell of smoke every now and then is kind of heavy, so that might be contributing to some of the haze. Tried launching the drone last night at a couple of different places, but without the sun shining down, you really don't see a whole lot, and it's not as pretty as it could be. But the fall colors in this area are amazing. A lot of golden yellow, red, orange, and if the sun was shining, it would pick that up quite a bit. But so there's really no point in even launching the drone again. But so I just made some coffee. It's about, I'd say 45. My hands are freezing just doing what I was doing. But since it's not raining, I figured I'd make breakfast here out the back, which is just oatmeal and coffee. Organize and get moving. I mean, if I don't stop too many times, I'll definitely hit Canada by the end of the day, but see how that goes. For now, I will enjoy just looking at what little I can. I mean, you still do have the mountain range in the back there. It's just not very crisp. Fortunately, in this campground, and I've noticed, and I don't think it's the people traveling through, it's just too much trash. But I walked around here, so much toilet paper, and there's even two, I think, caribou carcasses 20 feet away. I didn't notice that last night, but I can see not the whole carcass, actually it's just the hide. But I did notice that at a couple of other places that I pulled over, that the trash is just, it's disturbing. So that's why I like finding my own places where nobody else can go, because hardly anybody else is there to trash it. And I'm a leave no trace kind of guy, so I don't leave TP laying around. I don't leave, you know, my trash laying around. I always take it with me, throw it at the next gas station, throw it away at the next whatever, you know. There's trash cans everywhere. So there's a fire guy here, stopped and saw me. Wonder, oh no, he's gonna keep going. On the way in here, I did see quite a few areas. I tried to get some footage of it, of some of the destruction. A whole lot wasn't right near the road, but there was a patch of land about a quarter mile long where some houses were still up and some houses were gone, burned out cars. They had already started cutting down a lot of the trees along the road, and you could see it was unfortunate, definitely, for some people. And other places back in the woods, you could see where the house was standing, but all the trees were burnt around it, so they did a really good job of saving people's homes. And you saw thank you signs on the side of the road, which was really cool to everybody fighting the fires. But anyway, I'm going to finish up here and just keep moving. So I've got about 25 miles to go on the Denali highway, and the weather's still not cooperating. I did take some drone footage and some video, but without the sun out, it just makes it kind of all look bland. It is really pretty though. I recommend coming out here to anybody. You've got a mountain range pretty much on all the way around you to look at, and you know, you're kind of driving through the valleys of a lot of this, and it's just, especially this time of year with the fall, it's really pretty. But it is what it is. I'm gonna be out of here soon and make my way towards Canada. You know, as far as the road conditions, it depends on probably the time of year and the weather, but you know, it's nice compact road. Some areas are horrible potholes, other areas are just bad washboards, and right now I'm on another section of paved areas, so that's always nice. But any vehicle can do it, and just take your time. But this time of year there are a lot of hunters, and to be honest, I don't know how any caribou make it through this area without getting taken down. There's that many hunters out here. It reminds me of Looney Tunes and was it Daffy Duck, where all the hunters come up out of the bushes and all shoot them at the same time. Anyway, cool drive, definitely worthwhile to do, so if you're in the area, check it out. Well, I didn't make it very far today, maybe a couple 100 miles. I am still on the Richardson Highway, which is off the Denali Highway. Instead of heading south to turn up to Tok, I'm heading north to Delta Junction to head south to Tok. I've still got, I don't know, 40 miles to get there yet, then down to Tok, then east to Canada. So I'll definitely be in Canada tomorrow, but even though it's almost 7 o'clock, I probably could put another hour or two behind me. But I found this nice spot. It's along a dry river. I would imagine gets pretty full during the spring. But the nice thing about this is that view right across. The colors are really pretty. And also out the side here, I have a view of the snow-covered mountains. And then even up here, I've got mountains behind me. So it's a pretty spot, nice level spot, so I'm just gonna call it a night and just chill out here.